Chapter 11, Leisure Time. Section 1, Going to an Office Party. Useful Sentences. 1. Are you busy this evening?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
2. We're going to have a party tonight. Would you like to join us?
Of course I'd like to.
3. We're going to have a costume party this Friday night, and I want to dress up as a witch.
It's a theme party.
4. All kinds of masks are there in the masquerade.
I didn't recognize you with your mask on.
That's my dream party.
5. It's time to go to Mary's birthday party. She's turning 30 tomorrow.
6. Is everybody here now?
I believe so.
7. You are so elegant in the long dress.
You are so gorgeous.
8. Here's to your success.
Here's to our friendship.
9. Let's propose a toast for Halloween.
10. Do you want to grab some food to celebrate?
Want to go to the bar after?
11. Did you guys enjoy the party?
That party last night was really awesome. Useful conversations. 1. Attend Halloween party.
Laura, get off the phone. It's time to go to the office Halloween party.
All right, I'm wrapping up now. Where is the party?
It's in the main office conference room. Don't forget to grab the treats we made to share with everyone.
I won't forget. I can't wait to see what everyone else brought and then eat it all. 2. The office party. So far, 30 people have RSVP'd to the office party, but I expect that at least twice that many will just show up.
I think that's reasonable. Do we have enough food for everyone?
Yes, the caterer brought food for 100.
Great. I'm glad the logistics are taken care of. I love going to office parties. It's a nice change of pace to just spend time with coworkers without having to worry about meeting goals or talking about clients.
I agree. Plus, every time I go to one of these, I meet someone new.
Yes, it's incredible. I think that a group of us will go out for drinks after the party is over. Would you want to join us?
Useful paragraph.
Keep your dreams. No matter what, keep your dreams. Don't give up on them, even when you are temporarily defeated or denied. Keep your dreams.
Section 2. Going shopping. Useful sentences. 1. Want to go shopping this Saturday?
Want to come with me to the mall today?
Do you want to go shopping with me?
2. I need to get some new clothes.
I need a new pair of pants.
I'd like to see some dresses.
3. My shoes are starting to wear out. I need some new ones.
I'll come with you.
4. Is everything in the store on sale?
Are you having a sale now?
5. It's a good deal.
It's a real bargain at such a low price.
6. Do you have anything that will fit me?
Do you have this jacket in my size?
7. What size do you wear?
It's the wrong size. Can I have a size larger?
8. The green coat fits you like a glove.
You look gorgeous in this dress.
9. Which color do you like better?
What color do you like?
What color do you prefer?
10. This color isn't for me. I prefer pink or green.
The color is too dark for you.
11. This is the latest style.
This is the latest fashion.
12. May I use the dressing room?
13.
What's the price of this shirt?
How much are you selling these for?
Useful conversations. 1. Sales are always tempting. Hey, we're going to the mall at lunch to check out the sales. Do you want to join us?
Sure. I probably shouldn't spend that much money, but sales are always tempting.
Definitely. There are some good ones going on right now, too. I'm not going to pretend I'll be a good influence, though. I'm going to buy a lot. 2. Going shopping with Matt. Thanks for inviting me to come shopping with you. I'm having a lot of fun.
Sure thing. I'm glad you're here. Tell me, What do you think of this suit?
I don't really like it. The color is too bright.
You're right. Hey, after we're done here, do you want to get some lunch?
I actually already ate lunch, but I wouldn't say no to some ice cream.
Great idea. I know a place on the waterfront where you can get huge scoops for not very much money.
That sounds perfect. Before that, I have to go into the electronics store. My iPod broke and I need another one.
Oh, okay. I should go there to look at iPhones.
Useful paragraph.
Always remember that the moments we have with friends and family, the chances we have to do things that might make a big difference in the world, or even to make a small difference to someone you love. All those wonderful chances that life gives us, life also takes away. It can happen fast, and a whole lot sooner than you think.
Section 3. Going to karaoke. Useful sentences. 1. Let's go to a karaoke later.
2. What are you going to sing?
3. You sing first.
Now it's my turn.
4. I'd like to request a song.
5. I'm tone deaf.
I sing out of tone.
6. I'm a little nervous to sing in front of everyone.
Don't be too nervous.
7. Shall we sing a duet?
I picked the song for you.
8. Tonight, I'm gonna sing one of my favorite songs.
Who sings this song?
9. This song is for my dearest colleagues.
I'd like to dedicate this song to all of you. Thank you for helping me all the time.
10. Could you turn down the background music?
11. You have a beautiful voice.
You're a good singer.
12. Your voice is incredible.
It's such a beautiful song. I enjoy it so much.
Useful conversations. 1. Go to karaoke after work.
What are you doing after work?
I was just going to go home and cook dinner. Why? What's going on?
Well, a bunch of people from my team are going to go to karaoke tonight. We're trying to get as many people to go as we can.
Karaoke? That sounds fun. I probably won't sing though. 2. Be brave to sing.
Allison, you made it!
Hey! Yes, Jason convinced me to come. Wow, there are a lot of people from work here.
Definitely. You should go grab a drink right away. I'm going to go up and sing next, and I'd hate for you to miss it.
You're actually going to sing in front of everyone? I'm way too scared to get up there.
You're scared? That means we're definitely going to get you up there tonight. It's so fun!
We'll see. I'm not a very good singer.
That's not the point. The point is to be silly and have fun. Plus, the more you get out of your shell, the more the people around you will do the same.
Useful paragraph.
Illness, injury, love, lost moments of true greatness, and sheer stupidity all occur to test the limits of your soul. Without these small tests, whatever they may be, life would be like a smoothly paved, straight, flat road to nowhere. It would be safe and comfortable, but dull and utterly pointless.
Section 4. Going to a dance. Useful sentences. 1. When does the ball begin?
2. Would you have a dance with me?
Let's have a dance.
3. Can I have the favor to dance with you?
May I have the first dance?
4. I'm engaged for the social dance.
I've already promised someone.
5.
I'm Lisa's partner.
I'm sorry to turn you down.
6. Which dances do you like best?
I really love cha-cha.
7. You're so graceful.
8. I can hardly recognize you. You are so elegant.
The tuxedo really suits you.
9. I'm not too much of a dancer.
10. I cannot do the tango.
11. We had a great time.
It's amazing. We have a lot of fun tonight.
Useful conversations. 1. Swing dance. Hey, Steve, I heard that you know how to swing dance.
Yes, I learned how in college, but I haven't done it in years. Why do you ask?
Well, there's a big swing dance tonight, and I thought it might be fun for you to come along.
Thanks for the invitation. I'll get my dancing shoes ready.
Two, a great dance.
Hey, everyone. There's a great dance tonight at a bar near my house. I'm going, and so are Laura and Amber, so it would be great if more people came.
What kind of music will they play?
Modern stuff. Very upbeat and easy to dance to.
Okay, that sounds good. If you're all going, I'll come check it out. I'm not a very good dancer, so as long as no one laughs at me, I'm there.
Oh, me either. That's why everyone should come. The more the merrier. Plus, you stand out less in a big crowd.
I agree. Okay, that's it. Everyone else should come too. Plus, it will just be fun. Useful paragraph. We decide that what makes us significant is either what we do or what we refuse to do. But no matter how indifferent the universe may be to our choices and decisions, these choices and decisions ours to make. We decide. We choose. And as we decide and choose, so are our lives formed. In the end, forming our own destiny is what ambition is about. Section 5. Going on a trip. Useful sentences. 1. Would you like to take a road trip?
Taking a road trip might be cool.
2. I'm going on a trip to Hong Kong with my coworkers.
Would you like to go to the beach?
3. How long will the trip take?
How long is this tour?
Is this a long or a short tour?
4. We'll have a week to do sightseeing in this beautiful city.
I've never dreamed it would be so beautiful.
5. Did you pack enough food for the picnic?
6. What a beautiful view!
What a spectacular view!
What a beautiful Pacific place this is.
7. I want to enjoy things that are different from cities.
I want to enjoy some natural scenery.
8. It's so wonderful to take a walk here.
It's a great weather for a sea trip.
9. The mountain here is really beautiful.
Those mountain views are absolutely breathtaking.
10. Take a photo of that.
Take a snapshot of that.
Take a picture of that.
11. Would you take a picture of us?
Okay, please move left. Ready?
12. Time flies when you're having fun.
This is the coolest trip I've ever had.
13. I've just come back from Macau with my coworkers. It's a very fascinating place.
That was an awesome trip.
It was a good time.
14. Did you have a good journey?
Yeah, I just felt a little tired. Useful conversations. 1. Go camping this weekend. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going camping with my coworkers. We're leaving Saturday morning and we'll spend all day hiking, then camp for the night. We will come home Sunday after dinner.
That sounds fun. It's nice that you like your coworkers so much.
Yes, they're great. We've been looking forward to this camping trip for weeks.
Two, a trip to the coast.
How was the trip?
It was good. I had a lot of fun, but I'm pretty tired. I got to know some people I hadn't really talked to before, so it will be fun to see them this week at work.
Oh, did you go with coworkers?
Yes. It was a work-sponsored trip to the coast. We did some team-building exercises, but mostly we just got to explore the city and spend time in the water. At night, we all got together and made a big bonfire and shared stories about ourselves.
That sounds really nice. Did you meet any handsome men?
Of course. But dating someone from work is not a very good idea. Useful paragraph. The failures and reverses which await men, and one after another sadden the brow of youth, add a dignity to the prospect of human life which no Arcadian success would do.